Hey, everyone. Welcome to Kids Zone TV. I am Sheikh Mohammed. Zainul Abidin, as a doctor, I'd recommend incorporating a variety of fruits into your daily diet for their numerous health benefits. Here are 9 fruits that you should consider eating every day. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. They're rich in fiber, which helps with digestion, and they also contain antioxidants that are good for your heart health. Bananas. Bananas are packed with potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and nerve function. They're also a great source of energy due to their natural sugars. Oranges. Oranges are famous for their high vitamin C content, which boosts your immune system and helps your body absorb iron. Plus, they're deliciously refreshing. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Berries are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. They're also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great choice for weight management. Kiwi. Kiwi is loaded with vitamin C, even more so than oranges. It also contains fiber, potassium, and other essential nutrients that support overall health. Grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to heart health and longevity. Plus, they're a convenient snack that can satisfy your sweet tooth. Pineapple. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for joint health. Pears. Pears are a good source of dietary fiber, which helps regulate bowel movements and may reduce the risk of certain diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Watermelon. Watermelon is not only hydrating due to its high water content, but it also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help protect against certain types of cancer. So there you have it, folks. The top 9 fruits you should be eating every day for a happier and healthier life. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more juicy content. Until next time, stay fruity.
Thanks for watching.